Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to have you all back here at this new update on XRP. It's like a daily update. I've been covering XRP daily for quite some time now. So right now we'll do an update. Yesterday we actually did get some significant movement. Not too much bullish movement, unfortunately, but still some things that do make the whole image more clear. Apart from that, we have some major economic news today, which we will talk about and which we will touch upon in this video. I'll tell you what it means. I'll tell you what can happen, and or at least the different outcomes that are possible and what that means for crypto in general, but also for XRP. So definitely a lot to talk about, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into XRP, I do want to briefly mention, though, that I have my own premium trading group as well. In which I share my own trades in signals, but you also gain access to an exclusive chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you actually want to become a better and more profitable trader, check that out. The links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, onto XRP. So in general, what we're seeing in the markets is that the volume is dropping down massively after the news we got on Tuesday. And that's also very much reflected in the price. What you can see right here is that this trend line, for example, was initially respected yesterday, but was very quickly given up. And apart from that, XRP also had a bullish breakout right here above this level right here. But you can also see that was given up as well, which basically shows that there's currently no strong bullish momentum for XRP. There's also not strong bearish momentum. So it's really just neutral right here. I mean, you could argue, and I would not argue against that there's a little bit of bullish momentum right here forming. But on the other hand, we also respected the 100 EMA. It's if you zoom out, it's still very bearish. All right, so I would say we're neutral. There's some bullish momentum, some bearish momentum, but both are not very strong. Now that will change today, and that will change with the economic news that we'll get, because at 2:30 GMT +1, that's a time zone. We will have a lot of news, jobless claims, continuing jobless claims, and the PCE price index, which is like an inflation rate. So this will affect the markets. All right, I can explain to you what different results would mean something, and I'll do that as well. But the best thing to watch is to watch the dollar strength index. All right, so the DXY. If you type that in, that's basically the strength of the dollar, and this is negatively correlated with crypto. So if this goes up, that's bearish. If this goes down, that's bullish. But basically, the initial, if we want a bullish reaction, the initial jobless claims and the continuing jobless claims should be higher than expected, higher than the consensus. And by the way, this website is myfxbook.com. And the PCE price index should be lower than expected. If that's true, then there's actually still chance for more bullish momentum. All right, then XRP will probably break above 53.5 cents and rally up towards this level right here at 56.5 and 57 cents. That's the main catalyst of today. It could go both ways though. I mean, if the PCE price index is higher than expected and the initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims lower than expected, then bearish momentum will come, all right? And XRP will probably drop down towards this like 50 cents level. I do not think that would necessarily break. It depends a little bit on what the dollar strength index does and what Bitcoin does. But I don't generally think it will break. But altogether, those new news events will really cause the next movement in the markets. We got a lot of great news on Tuesday, but this news is more important, at least economically, than what we had then with the JOLTS job openings and the ETF news. I mean, we're still waiting for some more information on that, right? So we cannot really build on that. This is the news to watch. This is what will make the market move today. So keep an eye on that, all right? Maybe I'll do a live stream even. But for now, this is my take at least on XRP. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.